Welcome back to Houston Life. Before the break, Sarah Zubowski here gave me a very lovely behind-the-scenes tour of how she and her team are creating high-quality, made-to-order mattresses and furniture in their factory.
And one of the stops on that tour included part of the building where Derrick had never been. It's the office of my stepdad and boss, Youval, who believes good business is all about giving back.
Yes?
I know that voice.
Why are you here?
You're on your own.
Okay, thank you, Sarah. Good to see you.
Good to see you, too.
Why am I here, Youval?
Yes, why are you here?
I'm here to see you. I heard you're going to complete the tour. Sarah just gave me a very nice tour of some of the factory. And I've never been to your office either. May I sit?
Of course.
Thank you.
You may sit. You've never been to my office. That is true. You've never been up here.
I've never. It's very nice. I'm sorry. I realize I'm busting into your office here. I didn't know this was part of the tour.
That's quite all right.
This might be my favorite part of the tour because I can see some of the people in your life. I know obviously your family is important to you, but your suppliers are also like family to you. You've been doing business for a long time.
44 years. I want you to look at all my axes. Not my exes, my axes.
Why do you have so many axes?
Very interesting. Years ago, the fire department came to me and asked me, Station 18 actually asked me if I could help them get some mattresses. So I donated the mattresses and they brought me that axe above the doors. And it was very nice of them.
Wow.
And then I went to each station in Houston and solicited if they needed any mattresses. And the captains of the stations looked at me like I was out of my mind. So I said, I'll be more than happy to donate you mattresses, but I'd like something from your station. So I have things from I don't know how many stations in my office and in every showroom.
So you donated mattresses to fire stations.
I think that we probably, without exaggeration, donated mattresses to 99% of all the Houston Fire Department.
Oh my gosh, Youval, that's a lot of mattresses.
It is a lot of mattresses, but you know, when you need those folks, they need to be there and you're very happy to see them, right?
Yeah.
But nobody ever thinks about them, the police, and so on and so forth.
Until you need them.
That's right. And a long time ago, I went to see what kind of mattress they have, and it was, there is, let's say, the lowest is junk, and they had one above it. So I said, that's not acceptable. So we donated mattresses to all those stations. They sleep well.
Well, that doesn't surprise me at all, Youval, that you did something like that. That's very nice.
I like that.
You're good. You're a gem in this community.
Thank you for saying that. I don't see myself as that. I just see myself as someone doing what he thinks is the right thing to do. It's just the way I was brought up by my mother. I spoke to the chief, the fire chief, and obviously to the city. We're going to donate 120 sets of mattresses every month.
Every month?
Every month. Right.
Wow.
You know how they say giving is better than receiving? Some people think it's just a thought or a saying. It's actually very true. You know? It really is. We're doing something about it. And as long as God blesses me with making money and a profit, I will take a good portion of it and give it back to this community in whatever shape, form, and manner that I think is the right thing to do.
Always doing the right thing, that Youval. So I've known Youval for 7 years now. I know he believes that to be true. Plus, we should point out, he's always giving back and he's not looking for the spotlight. He's giving back because it is the right thing to do. People might have questions, Sarah, about supply chain issues. That's not something you deal with.
It's not. Because we're using those local suppliers, as you said, we're able to really give you the best turnaround, and we also have inventory available for quick delivery within even a week.
That's awesome. So these are longtime suppliers that Youval has had relationships for a long, long time. And again, the wood comes from Louisiana. Everything else is right here in Texas, so that's fantastic. That's right. By the way, both Texas Mattress Makers and Living Designs Furniture have extended their President's Day sales right now at Texas Mattress Makers. You can save up to 30% off, plus get get a free box spring, plus a free cooling upgrade. That is very important here in Houston, so take advantage of that. Also, free delivery. And at Living Designs Furniture, sofas start at $629, plus you can get up to 50% off in-stock furniture. So go check them out, ask for Sarah, make an appointment. We're going to take a quick commercial break. We'll be right back.